Hello everyone, let's learning together for analyzing sentence-based syntax tree. Before we getting into the analysis in this video, I will briefly remind you about what is syntax mean. So, syntax in linguistics is a branch of science that study how words are arranged into the phrases and sentences. Syntax not just only look at the word order, but also how each word forms as a structure and has a specific function in a sentence. In syntactic analysis, a sentence is a few words of a structure consisting of several components or constituents, such as noun phrase, verb phrase, and element that acts an object. So, like modifier or determiner. So, each component has a core or head and supporting elements such as determiner and modifier. Through this video, I will apply this concept to analyze sentence of Unita reads a history book. Unita reads a history book in the school library every Monday using syntax tree. That we can see how these syntactic components are arranged and interrelated in a sentence. So in this sentence generally have two main parts, which is noun phrase as a subject and verb phrase as a predicate. Noun phrase or the subject in this sentence is Unita, which is a proper noun. Because it is a proper noun, this word can stand alone as a noun phrase without requiring an additional determiner. And after that, there is a predicate. The predicate, namely noun phrase, or the short is an VP, which is contains an information about an action. In the VP, there is an auxiliary element that represents tense, namely present tense. Although it does not appear as a separate word, but this tense relies on the form of main verb, reads, which indicates a third-person singular subject. The main verb, this verb, or there is a specific verb, which is a transitive verb, that because requiring an object. Therefore, after the verb, there is a noun phrase, namely a history book. So, this phrase consisting a determiner and a history book as a noun. Although history and book are both noun, but they has a different roles. The word book as a core noun because it is determines a main meaning of this phrase. But while history, the word history has a function as a noun modifier or attributive noun, which is describe the type of book. This shows that in English there is a noun that has a function to describing other noun. In addition to the object, this sentence also has prepositional phrase. In the school library as a place modifier. The preposition in is the core of this phrase and is followed by the noun phrase, the school library. In this phrase, same as the noun phrase before, the word the is determiner, consisting a determiner, and the school library is a noun. Same that the word library has a function as a core, while the school has a function as a noun modifier or attributive noun because describing the type of library referred to. The sentence also contains the time adverbial or adverbial phrase every Monday. Structurally, this sentence is actually the noun phrase very as a determiner and Monday as a noun. However, in this sentence, this phrase functions as a time adverbial or adverbial phrase because they explain the time the reading activity takes place. This shows that the form of a phrase and its function in a sentence are not always the same. From this explanation, that we can be concluded that each part of a sentence has its own structural function and role. By using syntax tree, we can understand how words in a sentence are arranged hierarchically and how the relationship between head, modifier, and other elements form the overall meaning of the sentence.